Gurudev, pranam.
Pranam.
Gurudev, another Sarvabhauma Mahavratam, universal discipline is Brahmacharya. The result of Brahmacharya, practicing Brahmacharya is Brahmacharya Pratisthayam Virya Lavaha. First, what is Brahmacharya, Gurudev?
Brahma. Brihatvad Brahma, Bringanatvad Brahma. The entity that is the vastest in the world, and that is the person who thinks of Brahma, he becomes Brahma. So Brahmachari, Brahma means to dwell on Brahma, to live on Brahma, constantly think of God. God is everywhere, is present in everything. In everything there is God. You know, the person who feels this kind of thing, the feeling God life, God living, is called Brahmachari. Brahmachari, Brahmacharyam. And sexual purity is also Brahmacharya. The person who is not married, he has no right in any sex. You know, that will be illegal. And the person who is married, he has limited sex. He should have limited sex, because too much sex is not good for anybody, whoever. Even animals don't do that. Birds don't do that. You know, lions, once a year, he has sex. Dogs also, once a year, at the sexual time. So man also, human being also, have regulated sex, those who are married. You know, in Bengali there is a verse in Bengali language, Mase ek, bochore baro, tar niche joto paro. Mase ek, once in a month. Bochore baro, 12 in around the year, you have 12 times. Tar niche joto paro. And as low you can do that, lower down the number you can do, is better for you. So that way, regulated sex, Noistic Brahmachari, Prajapatya Brahmacharya, and Noistic Brahmachari is one who does not follow, does not come into sex anyway. Anyway, there are people in the world like that, those who don't get married and they don't have sex.
So sexual purity, it creates the foundation for Brahmacharya, Brahmachintan.
Yes, sexual purity creates the foundation. What you have said is right.
And Virya Lavaha.
Virya Lava means energy. Virya means energy.
Yes.
Lava means energy. He gains energy. He gains inspiration. Because inspiration comes from God. So he is in touch with God. So inspiration is coming all the time.
So Shivaji is even called Vireshwar.
Vireshwar.
He is the god of the Viras.
Lord of the Viras.
Lord of the Viras, yes. And Upanishads, they also say that Atmana Vindate Viryam.
Atmana Vindate Virya. Virya Vidyate Amritam.
Yes, it means?
Vidya. Atmana Vindate Virya and Vidya Vindate Amritam. Atmana Vindate Virya. So, Atmana, from Atma, Virya is love. This energy is coming. And from energy, by energy, Amrita energy is attained. Amrita means the fear of death is gone.
So, those who are warriors or those who are heroes, we consider them.
And most of the people you see, they are married, and after a little while they get away from the wife. They remain far from the wife. Those who are working in the foreign countries, those who are working in the army, the army and others, they are not with their wives always.
We find them there always energetic,
active. That gives them energy and active. And I have heard people speaking, to me that when they do go to sexual act, they feel dull, stupid, depressed, unhappy. So normal people also understand this to a great extent.
Thank you, Gurudev.
Thank you.